That's probably the best.
I'm gonna go for the cheese jumps just to see if I can get a really good gold here.
I have not practiced my cheese jumps.
There, I got it. I got like pushed down by one of the cheeses, but oh, I almost got the glitch where you can get stuck between the barrels in like the second
I
room.
hate that soft lock.
I like jumped just quick enough to get me out of it. I still lost a little bit of time, so I didn't get the jump first try. But if I get this stuff, it could still be a goal. There we go, get that one. Fuck, oh, I missed the last cheese jump. Now I do my last one with the one that takes forever to get again. Because the way I do the like top cheese, I still do a cheese jump. Because I find it a little more consistent.
Alright, there you go. I got a good fish cycle.
Is there a faster way to reset the game, or do you just
And
have to leave every time?
I told you how to do a quick reset.
Well, like there's the quick reset, but do you still have to like leave the game?
No. That is the fastest way to reset.
Okay, I need to actually start my time at the right time. That kind of fucked me over last time.
Let's run.
What's your goal?
I think it's a 141.
Yeah, that's what mine is too.
But you also get less chickens than me.
Oh yeah, true. Oh, I think I leave restaurant with like 100 times. I started getting more around like the carrot. I get both trees in the carrot room.
Yeah, that's what I do too.
And then I get the one like right outside the carrot room. Oh, yeah, it's a little too slow. I might change my offset to like -10 because I've been consistently just a little too slow.
Alright. I am entering sewers 15 seconds ahead.
But I'm always at least like 10 seconds ahead of in sewers because I get a terrible lighthouse in my PB.
My restaurant was terrible in my PB. That's how terrible my cheese jumps are. There's one fail attempt. There we go. Second attempt.
Are you going for the other ones or just like the ones?
Just the two main ones.
Okay, I think I'm gonna keep doing the other ones just because they save enough.
Also, I've not practiced like the one displacement strat. Probably should have done that. Put that there.
I myself getting to that tree.
Jump over
Okay.
here.
That's look pretty good.
Got that first try. Got that first try. Nice.
Oh, I get a ledge grab. Okay, so
Alright, this is a pretty good sewers. 22 42 seconds ahead. Oh my god.
What's your exit?
What's my what?
The exit of sewer?
441.
Oh Jesus. I think my best exit's like a 450.
Alright, first try volcano. Clip. Stop it, dude! Oh my god. Alright, there we go. No, don't walk there. I'm still gonna be ahead, but not by much. This volcano was terrible.
Wasn't your PB also older? Or is that different one?
Alright, I can save 14 seconds in hotel. And that's what's a good. That's what's a new strat. Come on, let me in. There
See,
you
because
go.
that time the fish cycle was like terrible. It was only 2 seconds different.
That was, what the hell? That was so fast.
Okay, so-
7:29.
Jesus.
And I got a sub 1 minute hotel.
Damn.